Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locating the document inside Google Classroom, open Classwork, find the assignment, and click the attachment so you're immediately inside the file. Once done, decide whether to work on the original or a copy. Teachers can provide editable copies to students automatically. Make sure to check the top bar for view versus edit access. If it's view only, request permission or ask the teacher to change settings. This first step gets you into the right file and establishes whether you can change content now. Now you begin editing. Switch between editing and suggesting modes to control how changes apply. Editing updates content directly, while suggesting preserves originals. Use comments and at mentions to loop in classmates or the teacher. This explains why a change is needed and creates an audit trail. Also check version history to restore prior states if something goes wrong. Meanwhile, apply formatting, insert images, or use Explore to add quick citations. These actions improve clarity and make collaboration efficient and transparent. Finish by saving a clear version and preparing the doc for submission. Name the current version, download a PDF if requested, and confirm share settings so only intended viewers have access. Once done, use the comment thread to notify your teacher that the doc is ready. If edits disappear, check version history immediately. Often your changes exist and can be restored. Finally, ensure you're online and synced. Reloading or re-signing into Google usually resolves most sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.